Hello everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today I'm going to show you how to make hundreds of claims per hour with this technique. Sign up to these three sites: Help Coin, Earn Solana, and Only Faucet. Earn Solana's dashboard is at the top. Choose your coin from the Faucet list. Once you've logged into all three sites, go back to your Help Coin dashboard and select the coin you want to earn. I'm going to choose Litecoin for this demonstration. Your Faucet timer is at the top. It also shows you how many claims you have before you need to do a short link. Scroll down and select the claim button. Great. Now quickly go to Earn Solana and solve the CAPTCHA there as well. Great. Next, go to Only Faucet and complete the CAPTCHA there too. Great. Keep going back and forth between websites claiming while the timers run down. Every time you click into a new Faucet tab, the timers should be ready to claim. Only Faucet has an easy CAPTCHA and only a 10-second timer. Now hurry, keep going back and forth between tabs claiming. The CAPTCHAs are easy so you can work quickly. This is one of the quickest ways to get hundreds of claims. Every time you click into a new Faucet tab, the timers should be ready to claim. I'm going to speed up the video so you don't have to watch all the claims. Once you have done a few claims, go back to Faucetpay to check your balance. As you can see, your coins have instantly arrived in your wallet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.